Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a pylon in Blender. So you want to add in a cube, then scale it by on the Z-axis. Then you want to scale it up a bit, and then after that you want to click Tab, and then make sure you select that little box up there. And then you want to select the top face. You want to right click and click Poke Faces. And then you want to select that box over there. And then click the middle. And after that's clicked, you want to click Shift Control B to bevel it. Just like that. And then you want to go down over to its settings and change the segments to 5 and the shape to 0.1. After that, you want to extrude it up. And once you've done that, you want to scale it. And then you want to click X. And then click Faces. So that'll just delete the top part. Now once you've done that, you can go out of edit mode and go to the modifiers tab and add in a solidify modifier. And then you can shade it smooth by angle. Now once you've done that, you can go to the materials tab, and then you can change the color to orange. And there you go, that's how you make a pylon in Blender. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.